Welcome to our tutorial on eDrawings. First, let's activate the eDrawing module. We select Tools, Add-ins. In the Add-ins window, I select the eDrawing module, and I'll click OK. The eDrawing toolbar appears right here. Also, under the File drop-down menu, we have an option that allows us to publish eDrawings. We have a few different configurations of this part, and when I press Publish eDrawings, SolidWorks prompts me with a dialog window. I can choose the current configuration, all configurations, or the selected configurations. I'm going to choose 1 and configuration number 2 and press OK. After SolidWorks processes a file, the eDrawing viewer will be started. Right here we see configuration 1 and configuration 2. We also see them here in the side panel as well. Let's close the eDrawings viewer for the time being. And no, I don't want to save this data. Another way to create eDrawings can be accessed through the File drop-down menu. We select File, Save As, and in the Save as Type drop-down menu, we choose the eDrawings file format. Here, I can also choose a password. In fact, I can type it in right here. Notice that SolidWorks prompts us with a warning down below. Lost or forgotten passwords cannot be recovered from the document. SolidWorks also lets us know that passwords are case sensitive. Well, let's cancel for the time being. Let's go look at these additional export options. You see that we have 4 options in this dialog window. OK to measure this eDrawings file. By enabling this option, a recipient of this document can measure the geometry in the eDrawings viewer, i.e. your customer will be able to measure that geometry. Checking this box will allow an export to STL. Save shaded data in drawings. This allows you to save shaded data from a drawing document in SolidWorks. The last checkbox here enables you to save animator animations to an eDrawings file. Okay, let's cancel out of that for now, and we're ready to click Save. SolidWorks prompts us with the Save Configurations to eDrawings window. I'm going to choose Configurations 1 and 2 again, and click OK. And this concludes our overview of eDrawings.